Hello guys, so this is my turn now to participate in your bake-off challenge. So I've chosen to prepare a chocolate fondant. It's very easy. It's from Cyril Lignac, the famous French chef. So I will try to imitate him. Now let's start with the ingredients. So we need a baking pan or a baking tin, about 20 to 20 centimeters large. We also need 200 grams of dark chocolate. We also need 250 grams of mascarpone, which is an Italian cream cheese, very nice. It's very well known for tiramisu. We also need 4 eggs. 4 eggs. Usually I use organic eggs. It's much better for your health and also for the chickens. And of course we need sugar, icing sugar, we can also say powdered sugar, and also 40 grams of flour. If you want to add, there is an icing option. If you want to add the icing option, then you will need 100 grams of chocolate plus also 50 grams of butter. Let's start. First, you need to preheat your oven at a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. Next, you need to melt your dark chocolate. So you can either melt it in the microwave or in the bain-marie. Then you need to mix the mascarpone with the melted chocolate. It already looks delicious. And it smells delicious. I love chocolate. Oops. There is a little left. The next step consists in adding one by one each egg to the mixture. Second one. I told you it's very simple. Now the next step consists in adding the icing sugar. This mixture is insane. And then finally, I think it's, yes, you just have to add the flour. So same step, just add the flour, and then that's it. So before you put the mixture in the pan, you need to grease it with butter. Very simple, very classical for lots of cakes. It's hot. And this is ready. I just have to pour the mixture in the pan. Of course, there is always plenty of chocolate left. So you need a spatula. In French, we call it marise, okay? So that everything is really in your pan. Look what's left. That's enormous. The next step I will not show you because I'm going to lick the spatula. So now, in the oven. See you in 25 minutes. So here it is, the chocolate fondant. So I think I'm not gonna add the icing part because it's fat enough. But if you want to do the icing that I told you, just mix the 100 grams of chocolate with the 50 grams of butter. Then once it's cold, you just have to put the icing on top of the chocolate cake. Let's try to cut it to see the inside. It's still warm, but it's already looks delicious. Look at that. And as Sara said, look at that chocolate cake.